Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to the first episode. Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
Welcome to the first episode of Break or Bounce.
We need an agreed format.
It's gonna bounce.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the first BreakerBounce.ca video. This week we're going to smash this fantastic keyboard, which I have kept since 1998 for the specific purpose of smashing. This thing's f***ing loud. If you were to actually sit and type out this thing for any longer than 5 minutes, it would drive you absolutely mental. Here we go.
Say extremely scientific.
Extremely scientific test number 1. Testing from 1 foot. Break or bounce.
Bounce!
Bounce.
It bounced.
Wow.
Wow.
5 feet.
5 feet.
Break or bounce.
Bounce with maybe one key falling off.
No, total bounce.
Nothing broken still?
5 feet upside down. Break or bounce.
Bounce still.
Bounce 100%.
Something broke?
2 keys. Look at that. I could drop it from 5 feet upside down, the keys pop off, and it continues to work. Extremely scientific test number 3. What is this? 13 and a half feet?
13 and a half feet. Hang on. Ah! Ah! Well, partial break, but definite bouncage.
13 plus 6, break or bounce?
Bounce!
Bounce.
Ooh! We have breakage.
Total random free fall drop. The intention is to smash. I'm betting break. Karen?
Well, it's gonna bounce, and it's not gonna totally shatter into a million pieces. Nice! Nice! Yes, we have definitely done some damage.
At Break or Bounce, we do whatever it takes to ensure 100% smash. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh!
That didn't shatter.
It's supposed to hit from the side. Okay. Okay, freestyle break.
Are we gonna pinata it now? Is that the plan? I was not expecting that at all. There we go. That was part.
BreakerBounce.ca breakability scale, I would have to say 6. Requires an actual force from a height hitting concrete to break this item.